And of course, there's a train the minute I want to record. Today, it's really dark. I need to angle you guys up some. Today I'm going to be driving I don't even know how to describe this video. I'm driving a, I think, 2002 Chevy Cavalier. Still got the old-fashioned crank windows here. And it is just an absolute pile of turd. This is what I'm using while my car is getting fixed here. Let me check, make sure you guys are still recording. Yep, you sure are. So it's gonna be a little bit dark here, and you definitely might get a little bit of wind noise because I have to keep the window down because the AC doesn't work at all. So, you know, just the quote-unquote daily while the race car is being fixed. So I figured I'd have a little talk with you guys about what is next for the G35, because there's not really a lot coming, but I'm waiting on parts. And Juku Racing told me that my main studs would be in by, like, I think they said the 24th. Well, it is now the 25th, and tomorrow is Friday. All right, we're booking it. So I'm not entirely sure what's going on or what I'm going to do, but I definitely have not been enjoying waiting, and I'm not entirely sure what to make for content now that the car is being fixed, because that was my main source of content, and now that my main source of content is gone, I've just been making sit-down videos at home, and I haven't really been driving, and you guys don't see me working on the car anymore because I really have nothing to do, and I'm pretty disappointed about it, to be blatantly honest with you. But it is what it is. I'm trying my best to still put out content for you guys, even though it's not the most exciting content, and I'm not, you know, being, you know, exciting. I don't know how to put it. But I figured I'd take you guys on a little drive tonight, because I haven't used the head cam in a long time, it feels like. Your lights are bright. Thank you. But I am driving the nice piece of sheet that was gifted to me for a little bit until my car is fixed. It is 9,000 miles overdue on an oil change, and I probably shouldn't be driving it to begin with, because as you can tell from the road too, it essentially has no headlights, like none. I'm almost better driving without them, so it kind of sucks. Come on, man, if you're gonna pass me, pass me. I'm doing 65, so I don't see any reason you should be riding my ass. But the G35 is still in the back burner. As I've told you before, the G35's engine, the VQ, is going to one of my dad's shops to get worked on, instead of us doing it in the garage, because he's got a cleaner work area and he's got all the stuff to do all of the things that we need, which is very good, because unless we go to my dad's work and they'll charge me for being there and doing their labor and yada yada yada, we don't have the stuff to do it. So we figure now is the time to get it into my dad's buddy's shop, and he knows how to grind the piston rings to spec and all that good stuff. I have never built an engine before. I have stripped engines down to a long block with my dad numerous times, but I've never gone down to short block. I've never gone down to bare block and taken an engine this far apart. This is definitely very new for me. I have been enjoying the experience, but I do wish the car was done by now. For the price of it, I almost feel like I should have just paid and got a Reman VQ instead of just rebuilding mine, because the prices almost line up perfectly. But we are already this far, and I'm already doing this much. May as well keep going. I can't just sell all the parts now and restart. So that was it's gonna be like a $1,200 rev competition that I will not be entering the car in again until I have a daily. So that kind of blows. But I have been talking to a guy when the car is done. He knows all my mod list and everything, and he is going to tune me on UpRev. It'll be remote tuning. He's in California, I believe. So he will be remote tuning my car while I'm in Nebraska, and I'll just be doing test hits on the street and stuff. You know, simple 0 to 60 pulls, and rolling into it in 4th gear to a certain mile an hour, certain RPMs, yada yada yada. Getting all the data logging that he needs to get my car where he wants it. So I am getting tuned after I come back, and there will be 5 maps. So I'll have like my eco mode, I'll have, I believe, a burble map, flame map, rolling anti-lag, and then I think just like a high power map, which will make the car just run as efficiently as it can. But I will not be able to run any lower than 91 octane in the car. So I'm going to be paying the 470 or whatever for gas now, which kind of blows. It is what it is, but oh well. Eventually I do want to get a flex fuel kit for the car and make the car support E85, or at least I think the best you can get out of pumps around here is like E60, E70. So something like that. We'll get something on the sorts. I'll make sure to get tuned on the pump E85 instead of the good E85, so that I can not explode my car due to a bad tank of gas. But I am here to pick my sister up from work because she is 16, almost 17, and still carless because she's a chump. So this is where I will sit for a little bit. I don't even know how long this has been recording, or if it is still recording. It has been. That is very surprising. But I want to talk to you guys real fast. I want to show you my TikTok, if this is the right one. Yep, it sure is. If you look here, it is J Dunn. It has been getting some pretty good likes lately. Like, I have a like right here. It's been getting a pretty good amount of likes. I have been trying to get more subscribers for you guys. Not that one. Where did it go? This one. Been trying to get more subscribers for you guys. We did just hit, where did it go? I'm gonna turn the car off quick. We'll turn the lights off. I just hit 83 subscribers as well. So that's pretty badass. And as you guys can see, I dropped my most recent video on. All right, so it ended up stopping recording at give it 1 second. We're gonna see if it continues to record, because it has been stopping all night. I think I'm gonna stand up as well. See if I can get some better lighting here. Maybe a little bit better. It's been stopping recording in like 20 seconds every time, so I can talk to you now. Let's see if the minute I leave the app it stops recording here. Maybe it'll continue this time? I don't even know. Leave the app again, we'll see. I don't know. Well, I tried to tell you guys last time that I found someone to tune the G35, and it is this guy. He has an UpRev cable and everything for me that he'll let me use. It's $900. If I can find someone with an UpRev cable, it is $700. And he says that most people with a setup like mine make about low 270 wheel. But if I want to go E85 eventually, I want to set the car for E85. So when I go E85, he says that I should be around the mid 290 to like high 290s mark which I'm pretty excited about. That would be nice. But that's on like E60, because that's like the highest things test here in Nebraska. We have like one pump in Fremont, Nebraska that's in my area without me having to go to Omaha for pumps and stuff. So like I think E60, E65 is like the highest ethanol content that I'll get out of it. I will have to bring a tester with me because I'm sure there's a minimum content that I can get. So we'll just do like maybe like an E60 blend or something on the car and make like 290 wheel, which it should be a hell of a lot quicker than it is now. That's like almost 80 wheel more than the car makes currently. So, well, no, the car probably makes like 225 wheel around there. So like 70 more wheel, which is, that's a lot. That's a pretty good amount off of just a tune. So, pretty excited about that. I will, real fast, I'm gonna show you guys some things on his Maxima, because this car is just absolutely freaking gorgeous. Let me walk over here real fast. I don't know if it's gonna be too dark over here, but the phone is lit up. So this is his Maxima. I'll show you a few more. I'll show you his old setup. That was my favorite, but this is what it looks like now. We'll come back. This was his old setup. Those are the Nismo wheels that I want for my car. I really, really, really want them. They are absolutely freaking gorgeous, dude. This is his car. And his is a whoa, almost fell. His is a version 2 VQ35DE, and he made like 340 wheel on E85. It's a 6-speed manual swapped 7th gen Maxima, and it is just, it's gorgeous, absolutely amazing. So if I can make anywhere in the ballpark of over 270 wheel, I'll be really excited, especially on a fresh motor build. So that's what I was trying to tell you before my GoPro cut out like 9 times, and I'm not sure if it's going to do it again. So I'm going to exit the video out now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys go like up the TikTok, and remember to subscribe and leave a like and comment down below what you would like to see in some of the next videos. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.